Okay guys, here's an interesting one. We have a 2018 KTM 150 XCW and about to tear the motor off this thing and put a crank and crank bearings and stuff in it. And I just had to document this. This bike has never had a crank or crank bearings. It's had several top ends, 2, 3, I think 3, but I'm going to verify all this with the owner when he comes back to pick it up. But I was looking at the display up here, and it appears as if this bike has 546 hours on it. If that is correct, and I assume it is, but I will verify when the owner comes back to get it. That's pretty wild, you know, 550 hours on a stock 150 crank. And I think this fellow, he does slower technical, almost a hard enduro level riding. So, you know, it's not getting super high revs a lot, I'm sure, but that's a lot of hours. And it goes through some, I'm sure it sees a lot of mud, a lot of water, and pretty wild. So I just had to document that. Wanted to throw it up as a little testimonial. That's a lot of hours on a 150 bottom end, so good for KTM. All right, see you guys in the next one.